Hello there folks, it's Johnny again, and first of all, I want to apologize if I get a bit sweaty in this video. It's summer, it's really hot, and this tiny room heats up very fast, so I hope you can deal with my ugly mug throughout this video. So, and if you're wondering what this wristband is about, again, I'm sweaty because it's so hot, and lately I really hate having naked skin on my guitars when I'm playing, and I will be playing guitar in this video, so that's why I got this on for now. So, today, what do I have in the box? It's the AMT P2 preamp pedal, which is an analog emulation of the PV5150, basically speaking, so not digital emulation. And this is kind of the interesting story. Originally, I wanted to get me the AMT P lead, which is from the new Brick series that they came out with, which actually has also tubes in them. Looks a little bit ridiculous if you ask me, but they sound really good. Problem is, the P lead I cannot find here in any stores in Europe. So I had to order it straight from Russia, and there was no problem with the online store itself. Okay, those people were perfectly fine. They quickly sent the package, but somewhere along the line in the logistics, things went wrong. I think it was when it actually got to Germany and it went through German customs and they messed something up and it just went straight back to Russia. And that was a whole ordeal that went on for a month, and I didn't want to go through that again. So I settled for the P2, which is from the previous legendary amp series. Still really good. I ordered it from Tollman yesterday and it got here today. So yeah, there you go. There you go. Oops, I cut towards me. I'm so sorry. So sorry. Let's do it like this. And come on. And oh my goodness. Can you see the sweat dripping from my arms? That's just from me sitting here. And no, it's not because I'm not fit or anything. I actually have been running regularly lately and I already lost 8 kilos. That's like what, 16 pounds? So yeah, here we go. And here we have the AMT box. So let's open it sensibly. Ooh, there we go. Here we go. Let's put it the right way up. So what we got here, AMT, date of purchase, blah, 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 don't need it. Here we go. Now this thing is looking fine if I can't get it out of this piece of plastic. If it would stop, where? This is the kind of plastic bag I used in school for my sandwiches. Interesting, so here we go. It's looking fine. Okay, it's pretty sturdy, everything, I suppose. Knobs feel fine. Let's put them all to 12 o'clock, except for the levels. So this is pretty interesting. It has clean level and overdrive level. So I suspect it has like 2 channels, clean and overdriven. And then you have overdrive gain over here. And you have 3 EQ bands for highs, mids, bass, like a full-fledged preamp. And now we're gonna check out how it sounds. Also, it has a little button here for a clean boost. Interesting. And it has 3 outputs. One is an out drive. Okay, one is out preamp. I'm gonna have to check what the difference is between those. And we have an out cabinet sim. So that's interesting. Output with an integrated cabinet simulation. Oh, yuck. So, but first of all, let me show you the current tone I'm working with. So right now what I'm working is with this chain here. This is basically my preamp chain in the front, and this is my power amp chain in the back. Don't worry about this one, just worry about the preamp chain. The Pro Correct is doing my main distortion right now. What you're hearing right now is this chain going into my PC and then using impulse responses afterwards. And I think I'm using a Rosen Digital, now Lancaster audio. And I really like that sound. It's so chunky, so nasty. I love it. And then you might be wondering, well, if you love the tone so much, Johnny, you German handsome lad, I hear you say, then why would you go for a new pedal right now? Well, that's because I kind of caught the bug. Throughout the next couple of months, I want to try out different pedals, see what I like, see what I don't like, and return. And it's just fun. Okay, it's fun. So let's see. Let's turn this off for now. Yes, it's all 9 volt. This works perfectly fine. And plug this. Let's go into the preamp output first and turn it back on. Okay. Whoa. Let's turn these off. I don't need them right now. Ha! Wait, hang on. I gotta do something about my buffer, I think. Oh, let's do it like this. Okay, I think we're good with the audio recording. Okay, no, it's not 2-channel. It's just bypass. Okay, and the button boosts the level of the clean or the bypass signal. Or is it bypass? It sounds brighter than a raw DI. Well, the EQ buttons aren't doing anything. So, okay, let's switch back to the distortion. Okay, so the clean boost button really only works when you are in bypass. Okay, got it. Okay, well, right now this tone is running through TH3, in which I have the impulse response loaded, and I also have an EQ in here that kind of emulates the EQ curve of a power amp. So let's take that out, see what it sounds like. Okay, okay, I get the picture. Okay, now let's try this with a boost pedal like the Boss SD1 Classic. Ooh, I like it. It sounds very ferocious. Though, for my liking, a little bit brittle in the upper mid-range and top range. Okay, cool. Now I want to try out the other output, this overdrive output. Okay, significantly quieter. Yeah, pretty obvious. It's so mid-rangey, so in overdrive it's supposed to be put in front of an amp. And putting it into the preamp output obviously is meant for it to work on itself. Wow. I like how ferocious it sounds and how much bite there is in the mid-range. It's definitely something that I cannot get with the Proco Red. The Proco Red sounds a little bit, I want to say, more barky in the mid-range. Now here we get into the portion of the video where we come up with very weird ways to describe tones. I guess I would almost say this has more of a British sound, whereas the P2 has more of an American sound, which is obvious. I mean, it's modeled or emulating a PV5150 or /6505. Okay, so much for that. Now let's also check out the third output with the cabinet emulation right now. Ouch. Okay. no, 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 no. I appreciate the effort, but no. What would be amazing now is if the pedal had a USB connection so you can load your own impulse response. Now that would be awesome. But like this, no. Now let's try it out in drop B. I can't remember the part. So, first impression is really good. I really like it. Perhaps a little bit more on the brittle side in the top range, but I really like the bite and the ferocious character in that whole mid-range. So, in any case, that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. You know how YouTube works. Like, comment, subscribe, click the bell icon, and do not disappoint me. Bye!